Here are my 5 favorite ways to make money online in 2022 that I use. Number 1 is a digital marketing agency. Offer web design services, social media content creation, SEO, photo and video for businesses. 2, Facebook Marketplace flipping. My favorite things to flip are electronics. I bought a camera this week for $275 that retails for $750 on Amazon. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Goodwill online auctions. Shopgoodwill.com. Goodwill actually cherry picks all their best items, and instead of putting them in their thrift stores around the US, they put most of their best items online for auction. 4th item, Upwork and Fiverr. As a freelancer, you can make a lot of money just by having an accountant on Upwork and Fiverr. Create a profile, optimize it, offer your professional services for hire, and start making money. Number 5, a hidden gem that not many photographers offer and do is commercial photography services. Who do you think has all the money? A family of 5 or a business looking for commercial headshots for all their employees? Follow and subscribe for more spicy content just like this.